Hi guys, it's David Wynn, August University here. Today we're going to talk about starting an online business while you're at home on your free time and even start for free. So let's get to it. So yeah, guys, it's David, and I want to break down some options to start your own online business, affiliate marketing, specifically while you're at home right now, while you have some free time. And if you're telling me that you don't have free time right now because you're at a 9 to 5 or whatever, there's always free time. Okay, you always have an hour, 2 hours, and if you don't have that time, you got to book that time. All right, you got to put in your schedule, late night, early morning. Rise before everyone else, wake up before the sun and make it happen, okay? Schedule it in, put it in your phone, and make sure it happens, okay? So, some ways to make some online income. So I'm going to speak about affiliate marketing specifically because you're going to become an affiliate for all these different platforms and programs that you're interested in. And if you're not interested in any of them, you need to become interested, okay? Because you need to be interested in making money. Making money is very important. Whether you want to be, if you want to be a Buddhist monk somewhere or in a church somewhere helping people, guess what? It still costs money to keep that location. It still costs money to feed people. It still costs money to help people. So take that out of your mind that you don't need money, because we all do. I know I do. I know my family does. Okay, so a couple ways you can start with affiliate marketing. One is an avenue called ClickBank. So you can go to ClickBank, www.clickbank.com, and go to the marketplace. Okay, once you sign up with a free account, you can look at the different niches. All right, so in these different niches, you can choose something, whether it's online finance, whether it's health, whether it's weight loss. Choose one of these key categories, then find a product that you could stand behind. Research that product, and then get your affiliate link, okay? Now, once you get your affiliate link, you start promoting it. Now, I'm not telling you to spam and blast it everywhere. I'm talking about actually promoting. So to be a smart promoter, you want to build a website, a blog. Simple way is going on video like this and talking about that product, okay? Even a simple share screen, if you can figure that out, and just talking about what ingredients are in that product, what comes in the product, what people are saying about the product, and then just have a call to action in the video below. When you're doing that video, like say, hey guys, click on the link below if you're interested. So always have a call to action, and in that description of your video, you could put your affiliate link. Okay, so people can click through your video and then click on your link when they're ready to take action, and then you can get a commission. Now this works for any platform and program. So personally, I'm an affiliate marketer for some health products on one of my other channels, right? A simple 5-minute video can make you thousands of dollars if you are reviewing the right product, right? Just be genuine, be real about it, but it can really produce some serious income. I think I took a 5-minute video outside of Walmart talking about a weight loss product, and I was being genuine, I was being real about it. And it's the #1 selling product in ClickBank, and that video alone got thousands of views and made me thousands of dollars. Okay, so it is very real, guys, that you can do this, right? So finding a product on ClickBank is one thing. ClickBank, sorry. You can also find a high ticket product. One of the high ticket products I'm promoting right now is called Easy1up. So Easy1up and Profits Passport. So with this program, you can make upwards of, with Easy1up specifically, $1,000 to $2,000 sales and commissions. So that's per commission directly to you, okay? So it's an online program teaching people how to get started in online business. But it's like you're a franchise, right? You're your own boss. It's your business. You can make 100% commissions with this product with Easy1up. And you can wake up to $1,000, $2,000 commissions, right? It gives you the rights to make sales, starting at $25 up to $50, $100, $500, 1,000 and then the $2,000 level. Now, some people say it's just copy and paste and that's it. There is a little bit of work to it. You want to start something called email campaigns so you can get some leads. You can even utilize your own social media, talking like this, like on YouTube, and people will sign up, right? And like I said, you can make up to $2,000 a sale. That's high. That's considered mid to high ticket. Okay, so imagine 2 to 5 $2,000 sales a month, right? That's amazing. And if you're really, really, sipping on the juice and really dedicated, you can make upwards of, let's just say 1 sale a day. Sounds a little crazy, but it is very much possible, right? The other day, we closed a $2,000 sale. Felt great, right? Feels really, really great. And the program's there for you. It's considered like a high ticket, mid to high ticket commission, okay? So that's Easy1up. Some other things you can do is find something you're interested in, right? And there's usually an affiliate avenue for that, whether it's Walmart has an affiliate network, Amazon has an affiliate network. I believe some of the key big brand names will have an affiliate. I think even the Nike store, etc. You have to look into that one. But just find something that vibes with you and then get yourself out there. Start producing content like this, even a 5-minute, 10-minute video about your interests, and then put it in the description below, right? So yeah, that's a couple different ways. You can start making $50, $100, $2,000 a day, just promoting products. Now, a couple other avenues outside of YouTube, you can start creating a blog. So if you're a person that doesn't want to be seen, front facing with the camera and everything, you can type away, get onto a blog. Good example would be the Wealthy Affiliate. So you can go to a Wealthy Affiliate, and that's a great place to start your journey as a blogger, build affiliate websites, and start getting some content out there, okay? Another idea is doing like a podcast, okay? Getting podcasts and then promoting your websites and things on the podcast links, okay? But this honestly, the simplest way I feel getting started is doing a YouTube channel, okay? And just start talking about things you're passionate about or doing review videos. And then you can start getting some click-throughs, okay? Getting some people interested in asking questions. And once they ask questions and you fulfill those questions, people are going to want to buy from you because they like you, okay? Just be genuine, be real, be humble. And but most importantly, you got to take action, okay? You got to take action. Now, one other thing I want to talk about is if you guys are looking for a way to promote your videos and get higher rankings on your videos so more people click through and then start using your links to make purchases, there's a YouTube ranking mastery course. I'm going to put in the link below as well. David Woodbury is one of my good friends, and he does a really good job with affiliate marketing on YouTube and ranking your videos. So if you want to learn, that's an opportunity there as well. And I have a special pricing for you if you click on the link below, okay? One last thing is if you guys want to learn directly from me, I do affiliate marketing consulting, and I can consult you through kind of the sales process. How do you even get started? Where do I start? What websites to use? What tools to use to build your channel, to start in the affiliate marketing space and start making some sales online for the first time, okay? If you guys are experienced and you just want some extra edge, information, then I'm here for you as well. All right, so I do offer consulting directly to you. If you want, we get on the phone, we get on Zoom calls for an hour session, okay? But yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely I'll have my information below as well. But yeah, this is a big opportunity to take action right now, guys. Whether you're a full-time job right now or you just lost your job or you're on government funding right now, don't sit around and watch the news and watch TV. It's not time for that. You gotta pick up the phone and make some calls. You gotta get online and start learning, start reading, start watching videos, and get yourself out there because no one's gonna do the work for you. It's just not, right? We can't be complacent right now. But hopefully this helped you guys out, and I'll be doing more videos and content like this soon for you. A few times a week, and hopefully I'll get to the point where I can do one every day, just so I can help you guys out more, okay? So this is David Wynn, August University, and love and appreciate you guys. get started in your affiliate marketing business ASAP. I'll have all the links below with some tools to guide you in the right direction. All right. And make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future videos. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.